Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. From this video you shall learn how to write a program to find area of an circle given the radius in Python programming language, program to find circumference of an circle given the radius in Python programming language, and finding area as well as an circumference of an circle in the same program in Python programming language. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link with your friends, gain the knowledge and rule the world. Put the status of the video link in all the social networks which you are going to use. Happy learning. In this particular video, I will show you how to write a program to find the area of an circle given the radius in Python programming language. First, I am opening the Python interpreter. Okay, this is the Python interpreter. Just adjusting its size. Then I will create a new file. Okay, so new file, this one I will save as area CIR, that means area of a circle. Save this one, hash. First I will write the comment. What is the comment? I will write the comment as to find the area of a circle given the radius value. Okay, then I will write rad, that is an radius variable, equal to float, open the bracket, input, open the bracket, within the double quotes, enter value of radius, one single space, double quotes close, bracket close. This is with respect to input function, and then write another one bracket which will convert a string to a floating point number. Then afterwards write the formula. So formula is area equal to 3.142 into, that is an asterisk, r, that is an radius value. Variable we have taken as rad space into rad. So area is equal to 3.142 into radius, that is rad into rad. This is the formula. Then next, print function for the purpose of displaying the output within a double quotes, area of circle is, double quotes close, after that comma, variable, that variable is area, close the bracket. Now again save the program, save it, then click on run. So now it is asking enter the value of radius. I will give the value as 5. So now press enter. So it is showing area of a circle is 78.5, which is the correct output. Like this you need to write the program to find the area of a circle given the radius. Now I will explain how to find and circumference of a circle given the radius. So first I will open the Python interpreter. So this is a Python interpreter. Then I will create a new file. This is a new file. So first I will write the command hash to find the circumference of a circle given the radius. Okay, then after that, so I will take rad space equal to, so I will write float, then after that open the bracket, input, open the bracket, within a double quotes, enter radius value, after that one single space, double quotes close, bracket close, again bracket close. To get more information regarding this input function, you can check with the video of mine in my YouTube channel with respect to input statement, that is an input function. Then afterwards calculation, I will take the variable as CIR equal to, I will write formula is 2 pi r 2 into, that is 3.142 into r is, I have taken the variable as RAD. So for that purpose you need to write RAD. Then after that print function, print open bracket within the double quotes circumference of a circle is double quotes close comma. So that we have stored in a variable CIR, close the bracket. So now save this particular program. I will click on save as, then I will write CIR, that means circumference of a circle. Save, then click on run module. So enter the value of an radius, I will give the value as 4. It displays the circumference of a circle is 25.136, which is an correct output. In this way we can write a program to find the circumference of a circle in Python programming language. Now I will write a program which will be calculating the area of a circle as well as a circumference of a circle. That means in a single program will perform the calculation of both. So I will click on file, then new file. So I will adjust the size of this script more. Okay, now I will write here hash to find the area, of a circle. Again I will write another one comment to find the circumference of a circle. Then I will take a variable as r equal to float, open the bracket, input, open the bracket within the single quotes, enter the radius. That means you need to enter the radius value. One space, single quotes close, bracket close, bracket close. So whatever the value will be entered, that will be stored in a variable r, and that will be of a float data type. Then I will calculate area equal to, the formula is pi r square, that is 3.142 into r into r. Then afterwards I will calculate the circumference of a circle. CIR is equal to, formula is 2 pi r 2 into 3.142 into r, into in the sense what, asterisk symbol. Now I will display the output, print within a bracket single quotes the area of a circle is double quotes close comma area. Okay, close the bracket. Then again I will write print function, print open the bracket, instead of single quotes I am using double quotes, the circumference of a circle is double quotes close comma, that variable is CIR, close the bracket. And here you can observe, here I have written the single quotes, but here I have written the double quotes. It has to be single quotes only. Okay, now I will save this program. Right, so save as circle, save. Now I will run this program, just F5 in your keyboard. So enter the radius of a circle. So here need to enter the value 5 or some value. So here it is displayed, the area of a circle is 78.55 and circumference of circle is 31.419999, which is then recurring. So I will again run once again. Now I will give a different value. For example, I will give 3. Press enter. So this is the output. Like this way you can write the program to find area of a circle area of an circle as well as circumference of an circle when the radius value has been given. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link with your friends and family members. Gain the knowledge and rule the world. Happy learning. Share the video links in the social medias whichever you are going to use.